What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to take a look at this Insignia massage chair that I picked up from Best Buy. Alright guys, so let's take a look at this Insignia massage chair. This is a zero gravity full body massage chair. I picked this up from Best Buy. Got an email from them a few months ago. It was deal of the day, so it was half off. Definitely would recommend, if you can, catch this when it's on sale, or possibly like I did when it's the deal of the day, because you're going to get a huge discount. These chairs at full price are pretty expensive, so if you pick this up when it's on sale, that'd be great. What we're going to do is we're going to go over some of the features, show you how it works, what I like, and some of the things that I don't like about it. Figured I'd put this video out there because when I was in the market to pick this up, there wasn't too much information out there for it. Right now, Best Buy's got 4.5 out of 5 stars, but it's only got, it's under 200 reviews right now, so still fairly new. Don't know if there's any videos out there, but when I purchased it, I didn't see any videos. There's other brand names that have similar massage chairs, ones that look pretty close to this Insignia, probably just rebranded. So if you're looking at any other massage chairs, then I'm sure this video will help you out. Let's get a closer look at it. Now you guys can see this chair is pretty big, but they do deliver it for free, so that's nice. You just got to set it up yourself. And it says on Best Buy's website to have a doorway that's at least 30 inches. Now the material that this is covered in it's real comfortable. It's a polyurethane leather, so it's real durable, comfortable. Like how it feels. It's the same material all the way from top to bottom. This is the black and silver, which I think that's all they have, which you guys can see there. It's got a little bit of a silver trim there. And then on the bottom, it's got some silver trim. This is zero gravity, so it does lay pretty much all the way back. There's the remote right there. It's wired. It's got a little pocket for it. That's what the remote looks like. Take a closer look at that in a little bit. Little storage compartment there for it. This is the other side. So as you guys can see, it does take up a lot of room, and you're going to keep it away from your wall because it does recline back. It's got a nice base on it, and the base does have wheels, so you can easily move this to a different location if you need to. It's got a nice removable pillow here. It's velcroed on. I took this off a few times. These are, guys, look here. These are little arms here that massage your neck, back. It goes the full length of your back and actually into your buttocks too a little bit. And this back part is heated. You can turn it on and off. If you don't want so much intensity, you're going to want to put this pad back on. You got these blow up for your shoulders, both sides. For your arms here, these squeeze your arms. You can adjust the intensity on them. For arm massage, you got it on both sides. So you come down here, you got foot rollers at the bottom here, and then these are also air-filled bags for compression on your legs, which can be adjusted for the intensity. The heat on the back here is real nice. You definitely can feel it. It doesn't get too hot or anything like that, but it's a nice touch. Give you guys a look at the remote here. Like I said, it is wired, so it's only so long. It's got Insignia branded on the top there. It's got an LCD screen. And then here's all your options. You got your power button, pause. You can set time, how long you want the massage for. You got your shoulder position here, up and down. It does have an automatic mode that measures kind of like your torso, so it gives you the best personal massage. I have used it before and it does work. You got different modes here for the type of massage you want. These are all the preset modes. Here's how you can adjust the zero gravity recline on the massage chair. Then down here, you're going to go ahead, and then this is the air pressure. To increase the intensity, you can turn it on and off. You can increase the speed of your massage, change the mode. You can have it so it's just on one area of, say, your back, so it's a fixed point. There's your heating button there, and then your foot roller button there. Then you can go in and do everything manually too if you'd like. So a lot of flexibility with the different types of modes and the type of massage that you want. Alright, I'll go ahead and turn this on so you can see it recline. Hit the power button. As you guys can see, it's reclining. This is a good reason why you're going to want to keep this away from the wall. I'll go ahead and show you what the remote's doing here. As you guys can see, the chair's reclining in the background there. This is where it's going to do the adjustment to your shoulders and back, so you can have your personalized massage. And this is just so that the rollers go all the way to the top of your shoulders, down your back. My wife's a little bit shorter, I'm a little bit taller, so it kind of benefits us when different people get into the chair. My daughter uses it, she's 15, and it adjusts to the size of their torso. On the bottom here, you guys can see the type of massage it's doing. This is the preset F1 Auto 20-minute massage there at the top. Here's your arm and your feet. You can intensify it, turn it down. The speed's down here. This is for the pressure and the airbags. This one's going to be for your foot rollers. And then this shows you where the roller is currently at. None of this is touchscreen, by the way, just so you know. But I'm going to show you a little closer look at the chair itself while it's doing this. Alright, so go ahead and start at the top here. I'll move this pillow so you guys can see the chair actually working here. The pads on the side are filled with air. These are right around your shoulder area, and they inflate and deflate to put pressure on your shoulders. You got this roller here that's massaging your shoulder area, and it's going to move all the way down and then switch modes also for different types of massages. On here you can see the arms, where your arms go. That inflates and deflates, puts pressure on your arms, your forearms. Does the same thing here with your legs. You can see the rollers are all the way down in your buttocks area now. The bags for your feet and your calves, inflating and deflating. And you can increase the intensity of the pressure that these inflate to. It's gonna be kind of hard for you guys to see, but down here you have your foot rollers. Here's where the one roller is. This is your lower lumbar back. Like I said, you can manually change this to just focus on one area. If you just want your lower back massaged, your shoulders, you can change it to manual mode. And it'll just pinpoint those areas. You can adjust the reclining if you don't want to be reclined back and lay down. You can adjust that with the remote here. You can go farther back if you want. Or you can get and put it into more of a seating position here. You can stop it at anywhere you want if you'd like. The heat can be turned on and off with this button here. Just look at the screen, you'll see right where the back area is. Turn the heat on, there's a red bar that just lit up there. I'll turn it back off. Just gonna have the heat on or off. Shows you where the roller's going there on your back, which is nice. The only thing I didn't like about this remote is none of the buttons are lit. So late at night when I'm getting a massage after work or something, got the lights turned off, maybe watching a movie. I usually got to use my phone or turn a light on to use this remote because the buttons don't light up at all. So that's the only thing I kind of don't like about this remote. Other than that, works pretty well. I like it. Alright guys, so about 5'11", almost 6 foot. Give you an idea with someone my size, how they fit in here. Go ahead and grab the remote. Turn the power on. It's going to recline me back. Your arms kind of fit right in these pads here. The legs are adjustable here, so if you've got longer legs, this does adjust and moves in and out. Right now it's scanning my back. Foot rollers just started going and it went into the first auto mode. So as you guys can see here, it's not too small for me or anything. Right now the arms are compressing. My feet, they're compressing. Like I said, you can turn that stuff up, increase the intensity if you want. Right now my legs, where my calves are, the bags are filling up with air. Now my shoulders here, putting a little pressure on me. And what I noticed is with these shoulder pads, when they fill up with air, it's not necessarily a massage, but it holds your back, pins you more against the back of the chair so you can feel the massage a little bit deeper. You can speed up the rollers, slow them down, change the type of massage you're getting, whether it's like a kneading or a massage or kind of like a punching. It's a bunch of different modes. You can go on their website and get a little bit more information off of all the different modes and everything. My wife suffers from migraines, so she usually pinpoints her neck area. She'll pull this top pad off so it's a little bit more intense, and usually relieves her of her migraines within 15 to 20 minutes. I've fallen asleep in this chair numerous times after work, getting a massage. Turn the heat on, just run it into auto mode. If I got a little bit of a lumbar issue with my lower back, muscle spasm, I'll kind of put in manual mode, pinpoint that lower back area, and within 15-20 minutes it loosens it up, and I'm happy with it. Show you how far back this goes. So right now that's maxed out, and my feet are almost higher than my head. But when you're laid back like this too, it puts more intensity on the rollers that are working on your back. Compare that if you're sitting straight up. So if you sit straight up, not so much weight's going to be on the back rollers or the rollers for your back, so it won't be as intense. Go ahead and show you guys how you tip this back. Go ahead and tip it back like so. And you can roll it. Just move it around if you need to. You guys look at the side here. That's what the side looks like. You guys can see it's pretty long. It's going to take up a decent amount of room, especially when it's fully reclined, so you're going to want to have the space for it. So if you guys are interested in it, check out Best Buy. This is the Insignia Zero Gravity full body massage chair. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Like I said, when I was researching this, I didn't see too much information out there for it. So I figured after a little while using it, I would go ahead and do my review. I like it, my wife likes it, my kid likes it. So far, the only issue, only negative, is that the buttons don't light up on the remote. But other than that, that's a small issue, not a big deal. Glad I got it. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button. You guys got any questions, put it in the comments below. I do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.